Today's organizations face a growing set of challenges that extend far beyond traditional metrics of productivity and performance. Behind the polished exteriors, many workforces are experiencing a rise in chronic stress, persistent communication breakdowns, and deep emotional fatigue. The standard corporate reflex is to treat these complex issues individually, rolling out brief workshops or quick-fix training sessions to address each problem as it arises. This structural model illustrates that typical approach. Organizations send their teams to communication workshops to fix communication, or they implement stress management seminars to address burnout, treating each issue as an isolated pillar. While these individual interventions carry value, the same underlying issues inevitably resurface. Treating one symptom does little to address the wider environment producing it. Attempting to solve workplace challenges in a vacuum ignores the reality of how human ecosystems actually function. Workplace challenges are an interconnected web. Returning to our model, we map this dependency. Leadership directly influences team communication, which dictates collaboration quality. This collaboration impacts psychological safety, ultimately determining the organization's overall well-being. Instead of asking how to reduce stress or fix a specific communication issue, we invite leaders to ask a different question. How can we develop healthier, reflective, and resilient workplace cultures? Sustainable change is possible, but it requires individuals to first become aware of themselves and their specific roles within this broader organizational ecosystem. At Art Therapy Academy Malaysia, we specialize in helping organizations navigate and strengthen this exact ecosystem. It is important to clarify that our programs are educational rather than clinical. This is not psychotherapy, and participants are never treated as patients. Rather, our approach provides an educational framework designed to build practical, everyday capacities that professionals can use immediately. We focus on developing concrete skills like emotional literacy, collaborative practice, and deep professional self-awareness. By redefining therapeutic arts-based learning for the workplace, professionals are equipped to strengthen their leadership and team dynamics from the inside out. We achieve this through a unique methodology that integrates reflective practice directly with therapeutic arts-based learning. Our learning philosophy operates systematically. Real, lasting learning starts with raw awareness, which is then guided into deliberate reflection. Through this, participants generate meaningful connections, translating directly into practical application they can utilize within their daily professional roles. Because this developmental journey is structural, it adapts easily to an organization's operational schedule, whether delivered as a half-day workshop, a lunch-and-learn session, or an intensive executive retreat. Programs are facilitated by ATA founder B. Tin Teo, bringing over 16 years of experience as a registered art therapist, counselor, and certified trainer. This structured professional approach turns abstract corporate training concepts into sustainable, measurable organizational growth. Ultimately, our goal at ATA is to form long-term partnerships that actively cultivate reflective cultures, rather than simply delivering isolated workshops. That cultural shift begins at the individual level. Healthy organizations are built from the ground up by reflective people. This diagram outlines the resulting cultural cascade. When people are reflective, they naturally create stronger, more communicative professional relationships. Those strong relationships then form the bedrock of highly resilient, adaptable teams. And as those teams work together, they collectively generate a healthier, deeply sustainable organization. Investing in the internal reflection of individuals is the most direct path to macro-level organizational resilience. If your organization is ready to move beyond quick-fix solutions and explore meaningful, long-term development, we invite you to begin a conversation. Sustainable organizational change always begins with reflection. Developing reflective, resilient, and emotionally healthy workplaces. Art Therapy Academy Malaysia. Thank you for reflecting with us today.